2025 is your year to disconnect from the ordinary. Step into Morocco's uncharted lands where mountains and beaches meet to give you a real sense of place. While Morocco is often associated with its iconic cities and desert dunes, there's an entirely different side to the country that's rarely explored. The quietude of its mountains and hidden beaches, both holding secrets that take only the slow, deliberate rhythm of walking to unveil. There's something transformational about exploring Morocco by foot. With each step, you unveil layers of history, cultures, and landscapes that the typical tourist never has a chance to appreciate. Walking opens a deeper connection to both the land and its culture, making it a more reflective and rewarding way to explore. Where driving through can make you a distant observer, walking allows you to engage with every moment, whether that's greeting a friendly local or catching your breath atop a mountain cliff to gaze at the beauty below. In my experience, Morocco's charm is best felt when you're on foot. The quiet moments walking along ancient trade routes in the mountains or on an untouched beach leave a stronger imprint than a day spent speeding past in a car. The Atlas Mountains aren't just mountains, they're Morocco's very soul. With over 1,000 kilometers of untouched hiking trails, these ranges offer some of the most exhilarating treks you can find in Africa. Hiking through these mountains gives a sense of adventure and challenge, as well as an opportunity to experience the landscape as locals have for centuries. It's not just about physical endurance, it's also about spiritual replenishment. The ancient hills whisper the stories of those who once traveled them. There's something humbling about stepping into the mountains and realizing that each path is part of centuries of history. It makes every single step feel purposeful, as though you're walking in the footsteps of history itself. Tucked away from the hustle and bustle of the popular Moroccan coast, secret beaches like those near the town of Merleft offer a blend of isolation and beauty. Each step leads you deeper into a landscape where you can breathe deeply, away from the tourist trails. The beaches on Morocco's lesser-visited southern coast offer a juxtaposition: towering cliffs meeting endless skies, peaceful shores with hardly anyone around. This seclusion offers not just relaxation, but the opportunity for contemplation, often the soul of a Moroccan adventure. While the beaches of Agadir or Essaouira are known to many, there's something incredibly special about walking along the shores where the waves crash just for you without crowds. These hidden beaches restore a quiet part of you that can be lost amid busier places. Walking through these hidden routes lets you step into the everyday lives of the Moroccan people. Whether you're being invited into a home for sweet mint tea or learning about ancient pottery techniques, every encounter will be meaningful. Cultural immersion in rural Morocco, far from urban distractions, provides a different kind of experience. Tourists often miss the vibrancy of the local life that isn't featured in city guides. Walking gives travelers intimate access to moments of pure authenticity, simple gestures, and shared experiences. The people of Morocco, especially in rural areas, don't just offer a glimpse of life. They offer you a chance to be a part of it, even if only for a moment. When you walk through these remote villages, every connection is a window into a world that's hidden from the typical tourist lens. In 2025, people are seeking deeper travel experiences. It's time to redefine your adventure, get off the beaten path, and discover what lies beyond the usual sights. Morocco's mountains and hidden beaches offer exactly that. In a time when travel can feel over-commercialized, the pursuit of unspoiled beauty is the antidote. Walking tours, especially those in places as raw and untapped as Morocco's mountains and secret shores, represent the future of meaningful personal travel. 2025 feels like the right time for travelers to slow down, take a step back from the rush, and focus on what truly matters: connection, mindfulness, and a chance to let the world unfold around you. If you're looking for a transformative journey, these tours in Morocco promise just that. Between Morocco's mountains and its hidden beaches, the adventure you seek is ready and waiting for you. Will 2025 be the year you step into the untold wonders of Morocco?